Necrosis and apoptosis. Cells in an organism depend upon various extracellular and intracellular signals for its regulation. Controlled activities like cell division, pattern formation, differentiation, morphogenesis, and motility. Each cell is predestined to its fate. For example, what responsibility it has to take and in which way. Even the death of the cell is programmed. Programmed cell death helps in proper control of multicellular development, which may lead to deletion of entire structure. For example, tail of developing human embryos or part of structure. For example, tissue between developing digits. Cell death even controls the number of neurons because most of the neurons in the human body die during development. Cell death in multicellular organisms is controlled by two fundamentally different phases. For example, either the cell commits suicide in the absence of survival signals, trophic factors, or cells are murdered by killing cells from other cells. Internal program of events and sequence of morphological changes by which cell commits suicide is collectively called as apoptosis, and in Greek word means dropping off or falling off. During this process, the dying cells shrink or condense, ultimately split up, thus releasing small membrane-bounded apoptotic bodies, which are generally phagocytized by other cells. Intracellular constituents are not released freely in the extracellular atmosphere, which otherwise might have deleterious effects. In contrast to suicide, the cell death due to tissue damage is called necrosis, during which typical cell swells and bursts, releasing the intracellular contents which can damage neighboring cells and cause inflammation.